Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Miss I90. If you guys are new here, my name is Alexis, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this makeup look using Glamlite X Frosted Flakes makeup haul collection. All the products I'm going to be using in this makeup look, I'm going to be listing it down below for you guys. And let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is grabbing my spoolie brush, and I'm going to be using that to lift my eyebrows and just arch them a little bit. And I'm going to go in with NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyebrows and blend it out. Once it's all blended out, I'm going to grab my concealer, Maybelline New York, in the shade 15 Light, and I'm going to grab my beauty sponge and blend that all over my eyelids. Now that we have finished up our eyebrows and added some concealer to our eyelids, we are going to go in with the eyeshadow. And look at how cute, you guys, what this Frosted Flake palette looks like. It's like a miniature cereal box, which I thought was so cute. And then you're going to see all these beautiful colors, which has some oranges, browns, different types of blues, and all the shimmers are just stunning. I love them so much. I'm going to be using 3 different brushes for my eyeshadow look. The first eyeshadow shade I'm going to be using is Teamwork, and I'm going to be blending that all over my eyelids. The next shade I'm going to jump into is going to be Go Getter, and I'm just going to be applying that on the outer corners of my eyelids, and then I'm just going to be blending it out. After I'm done blending it out, I'm going to go in with the shimmer colors, and I'm going to grab the shimmer shade Breakfast Time. And I'm just going to be adding that on the outer corner of my eyelids. To grab the second shimmer shade in the color Sweet Spark, and I'm just going to be adding that in the center of my eyelids. For the last shimmer shade, I'm going to dip into Melt and just add that in the inner corner of my eyelids. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now I'm going to grab my highlighter, and the highlighter I'm going to be using is I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow. I'm going to be adding the gold shade to my brow bone and to my inner corners. For wing eyeliner, I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be adding that to my eyes. After my eyeliner's done, I'm going to be adding 2 different mascaras. I'm going to be adding Ioni Dramatic Black Mascara. For the second coat of mascara, I'm going to be going in with my Bratz X Revolution Volumizing Mascara. For my waterline, I'm going to be using Ioni eyeliner in the shade Black. For blush, I'm going to be going in with my Blush Please shimmering blush in the shade 12. And I'm just going to be applying that to my cheeks. And then I'm going to be grabbing a second blush from Revolution Sleeping Beauty palette. And I'm going to be going in the shade Shield of Virtue, which is a dark ink shade. And I'm just going to be adding that to my cheeks. Here's the Frosted Flakes highlighter that everybody has been giving good reviews about. And this highlighter is a loose powder. And I'm so excited to use this highlighter. And this is what it looks like, so beautiful. And I'm going to be adding that to my cheekbones and as well as my nose. Now for the lip kits, I'm going to be showing you guys Tough Tiger. It comes with a lipstick and a lip liner. It glides on so smoothly, you guys, and it's more like close towards a pinkish color. And now for the lip liner, it glides on smooth as well, and it's very pigmented. And that color is like a dark brown. And I'm going to be adding those to my lips. Let me know in the comment section down below which lip color you guys like. Is it going to be number 1, Tough Tiger, or the second lip kit is going to be Frosted, and it comes with a lip gloss and a lip liner. And the lip gloss is super shiny, very pretty. And the lip liner is like a dark pinkish color. Such a beautiful combo together. Now I'm going to be adding that to my lips. The lip liner glides on so smoothly, and the lip gloss has such a beautiful shine to it. I really enjoyed it a lot. Here is number 2, Frosted. Here is a closer look of my eyeshadow, and here is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look using Glamlite X Frosted Flakes makeup collection. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!